Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to do another question of Olympiad. Topic is polynomial. So in this question you can see x value is a minus b upon a plus b and y value is b minus c upon b plus c and z value is c minus a upon c plus a. Then the value of 1 plus x, 1 plus y plus 1 plus z upon 1 minus x, 1 minus y, 1 minus z is what? So we need to find this expression value. This you can see this the numerator and denominator form. So we need to find the value of this portion. There are four options. First option is ABC, second one is the a square, b square, c square, third one is the 1, and the last one is the minus 1. So you can see how to know the answer of this question. First of all, you can see x, y, z, we already given that in the question. So just we will find the value of 1 plus x, 1 by 1, 1 plus y and 1 plus z, and we'll put the numerator and denominator, then check. First of all, 1 plus x. So 1 is 1 plus x value is a minus b upon a plus b. It's very easy question. So LCM a plus b. So you can see if the LCM is a plus b, so 1 divided by a plus b time. So a plus b multiplied by 1, then this a minus b is as it is. This b and b cancel out. So here 2a upon a plus b. We get the value 1 plus x. So this one is done. The next is the 1 minus x. So 1 minus x. First of all, we will find the x terms related to x term, this expression and this expression. So 1 minus a minus b upon a plus b. This is our x. Okay, and it is minus x, so make sure here the bracket is also, and a plus b is the LCM again. So here is a plus b, and this minus sign goes inside in the next step. This minus sign goes inside minus a, and minus minus plus b upon a plus b in the denominator is as it is. This a and a is cancel out. So here is 2b upon a plus b. So this is 1 plus x, this is 1 minus x. So these two values are 1 plus x and 1 minus. Now consider the 1 plus y. 1 plus y is 1 plus y value is b minus c upon b plus c. Same thing, b plus c is the LCM. So here b plus c plus b minus c. This c and cancel, 2b upon b plus c. So 1 minus y. Can we write directly 1 minus y? Like suppose here 1 plus x is 2a upon a plus b. Here 2b upon a plus b. Similarly, we can write also in terms. So here the 2b. So obviously the 1 minus y is 2c is the up. So check 1 minus b minus c upon b plus c bracket. Why we are using bracket here? Because the minus sign. B plus c, this minus sign is here, and b minus c. So inside is b plus c minus b minus minus plus c. So b plus c, bb cancel. So you can see 2c upon b plus c. So this 2c upon b plus c you can write similarly also. Using just you can see the 1 plus x and 1 minus, just difference only a and b. Similarly here the b, so obviously 1 minus y is in terms of c. The next is the 1 plus z. So we will find just 1 plus z, and 1 minus z we will write similarly form. 1 plus z, z is the c minus a upon c plus a. So take the LCM c plus a. So here c plus a plus c minus a. A cancel out, so 2c upon c plus a. Okay, so 1 minus z is 2c upon c plus a. So can we write 1 minus z similarly? Here the numerator, if the 1 plus z is 2c, so obviously 1 minus z is 2a, and denominator is same, c plus a. If you find 1 minus z, so you get again 2a plus c plus a, 2a upon c plus a. So we have three values, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 values. We have 6 values, sorry. So put the value here. In numerator 1 plus x. Where is 1 plus x? Is this one. 2a upon a plus b. Okay. They make the bracket 1 plus y. Where is 1 plus y? This one. 2b upon b plus c bracket. Then 1 plus z. Where is 1 plus z? 1 plus z is this one. 2c upon c plus a. Then divide. Divide form is 1 minus x. Where is 1 minus x? 2b upon a plus b. 1 minus y. Where is 1 minus y? 2c upon b plus c. Where is 1 minus z? 1 minus z is 2a upon c plus a. Now you can see clearly some terms are same. These terms 2a, you can see 2a upon a plus b. Here the 2b upon b plus c. Here 2c upon c plus a. Similarly here 2b upon a plus b, 2c upon b plus c and 2a upon c plus a. If you solve this, you will get the value of 1. Now how to solve this portion? So in the upside 2a into 2b into 2c, and the downside is the a plus b, b plus c. If you cancel out, you will get the value of 1. So how to get? And this a plus b, b plus c plus a goes up. You know the method of this method. If the numerator is 1 by 2 and denominator is 3 by 4. So what will you do here? This 4 goes up and this 3 goes down. 1 by 2 and this 4 is up, multiply, and this 3 is then multiply with denominator, like this. So similarly this term we will write as it is, and this term is this one, and this one is the denominator part, so it will goes up. Okay, and this is the numerator part, so this terms goes to in denominator parts. So this one term is here 2b 2c into 2a. So 2a cancel, 2b cancel, 2c cancel, a plus b cancel, b plus c cancel, c plus a cancel. You get the value 1. Hope you have understood this question, and if you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel. And for watching more videos of the Maths Olympiad, go through the Olympiad Maths playlist. Thank you and thanks for watching.